Service in Pleasant Hill has issued a tornado warning for East Central Cass County, southwestern Johnson County, Missouri, until 5:45 p.m. At 5:07 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near East Lynn, or 8 miles west of Holden, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Holden, Kingsville, Gun City, and Lot Shore. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. for the following counties in Missouri, Cass and Johnson.